I'm Mel Martini, teaching Cycle for Revitalized Fitness. People love the energy of this class. It can be a lot, but it's a lot of fun, and it gives you energy for the entire day. I think people love coming in. We do it in the dark. We've got the lights behind us. The energy and the camaraderie between all of the cyclists, we have a great time. What I love about teaching this class is how we've all become a family. So when you do group fitness, you become a part of that family. So join us and become part of our family today.